Welcome to Los Angeles.
In and out. Santa Monica Pier. Hollywood. Park. Beverly Hills, guys. Should I buy this one? Hi friends, good morning. So today is May 2 and it's already 5:42 a.m. and we are flying to LAX. So we're flying to Los Angeles, guys. And ang boarding magsa-start ng 7:15 a.m. So napaaga tayo dito, guys. And ayun lang, we will be staying there for like 2 days and 2 nights kasi sa Monday parang umaga na rin, babalik na rin kami dito sa SM. Wala pa akong ganong energy kasi sobrang aga pa and I only had 3 hours of sleep. So, tutulog lang ulit ako mamaya sa aeroplano kasi lagi naman akong tulog pag fly. So, yun lang. Let's go.
Welcome to Los Angeles. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Seat back and tray tables are full upright. Allow you to focus on your phone with electronic devices. Choice when you fly, and we thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines.
Hi friends! So we finally landed here in Los Angeles and ang first stop natin ay In and Out. So it's already around 10:30 a.m.
Pwede open mo yung pa. Medyo muscular yung medyo malaki yung muscle nito.
That's Hi friends! So today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Fuji Buffet. Ayan, nag-lunch lang kami. Siguro mga 2 kami nakarating dito. And after this one, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta muna. So sila, tita na lang bahala. Sila dito at tita na lang bahala kung saan nila kami ito-tour. So sasama lang tayo. And ayun, thankful lang kami sobra guys sa stay namin sa San Francisco and sa stay namin dito sa LA kasi may mga relatives na nag-accommodate sa amin, nag-guide sa amin, ganyan. Our first stop for the day is Santa Monica Pier. Ayan, may amusement park dito guys. And yung Santa Monica Beach. So, daming tao. Sobrang daming tao guys. So, we're here at Santa Monica guys and I realized na you shouldn't go here on weekends kasi hindi ka talaga makakapag-take ng pictures but I'm still happy. Ayun lang, I wish we could have stayed here longer but we're just maximizing our 2-day trip. So, ayun lang, there are so many things you can do here guys. So, nandito na kami sa dulo and bumibili lang kami ng mga ref magnets, mga remembrance for Los Angeles. Mura kasi dito guys, kaya bumili na yung mama ko. And our next stop ay Walk of Fame. Yata, nilalamig na naman ako guys. Hindi ka talaga alam nyo, hindi ko makilatis yung weather dito kung malamig o mainit. Kasi kanina sobrang init, tapos ngayon mahangin na naman at malamig. Hi friends! Good evening! So we are finally here sa Hollywood and wala lang akong masabi kasi this is just a dream. Hindi ko naman din in-expect makakatapang ako dito but I'm here! Haggard ko na, everybody. And we are down to our last stop. So, dito na tayo sa Lakma yung lights. Ma-appreciate daw paggabi. So, ito na yung last stop. And after that, uwi na kami and we'll take a rest. Let's go! Sobrang pagod na ako, guys. Gusto ko na mahiga. Gusto ko na matulog. Good morning. So today is our day 2 here in LA and our last day kasi 2 days lang kami dito, guys, and tomorrow morning flight na namin. Kaya today marami tayong pupuntahan. Punta tayo Hollywood Sign and masarap daw mag-shopping dito. So tignan natin kung marami tayong makikita today. Pupunta kami sa mga outlets. So yung outfit ko mamaya ko na lang ipapakita. Okay, friends. So, our first stop, Griffith Park. Ay, dito kita na yung Hollywood Sign. And merong observatory dito, kaso hindi na naman siya papasukan kasi mahaba yung pila and museum daw siya sa loob. So, picture na lang kami sa labas. Okay na yan. Enough na yan. Para marami pa kami matapos for today. Hello! Say hi to the vlog! Hi, Tita! Okay, so our next stop is Beverly Hills, guys. And sobrang excited ako dito sa place na to kasi dito ako mag-take ng pictures. So, nandito kami ngayon. Nandito yung mga luxury na brands, no? Sobrang dami bibili dito pag marami ka ring pera. Sobrang ganda, sobrang Instagrammable ng place na to, guys. Now we are here in Beverly Hills, guys, and I can finally say I'm walking down Rodeo Drive because I never imagined I'd be walking on this iconic street surrounded by so many luxury brands I've only seen online, and I was just in awe the entire time because this is where so many famous Hollywood celebrities shop, and seeing it in person truly made my heart so happy, guys.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.
And so we are down to our last stop, guys. Citadel Outlets tayo for today. Ayan, mamimili ko na dito yung mga natira kong pera. Ayan, so we haven't eaten yet. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kain. So I'll just update you guys. Na-excite na ako kasi bumili ng makeup at ng bag.
I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need.
Guys, parang should I buy this one? Siyempre, hindi niya mare-replyan agad kasi pauwi na ako sa susunod na Ang ganda talaga, guys. Pero grabe, guys. Actually, nakabili na kami. Bumili ako ng wallet and ng bag sa Kate Spade. Pero, iniisip ko kung bibili pa ako ng bag ko dito sa Coach. Ang laki kasi ng tax, guys. Imagine mo kanina, sinisilip ko yung... May off lang kasi eh. May off lang kasi binili ko sa Kate Spade. Pero, yung tax ng bag is $10. And that's expensive.
That's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Now there's coffee on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans, and it's never been as easy